Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is step back lunge. Step back lunge is a staple during our leg portion of class because it's so awesome in firing up and strengthening both your legs and your glutes. Like all of our exercises, form is key here. So go slow at the beginning. Make sure you have the correct form. Good body weight distribution over your front foot, stomach in neutral spine, and the correct stance so that your knee doesn't go too far past your toe. When you have the correct alignment, you will safely get the most out of this amazing exercise. Once you have that alignment, you can start moving a little faster and you'll find that step back lunge is a great cardio exercise as well. Let's take a closer look. Start with your feet hip width apart, heels behind your toes. You can bring your hands together in front of your chest, keep your shoulders down away from your ears and a long spine throughout. Stomach in, keep your neutral spine alignment and step back with your right leg. Gently touch your right knee to the floor and then push down through your front foot to come back to your standing position. Alternate it then with the left leg. Step back with the left leg, gently touch your knee, and come back to standing. A couple of things to note here. As you step back, make sure that your stance is the right distance for you. If your stance is too small, as you sit down, your front knee will come over your front toes. Widen your stance so that when you sit down, there's a 90-degree angle at both of your knees at the bottom. Straight spine. Come back to center. Go to the other side. Avoid leaning forward or collapsing forward, hunching as you come down, and instead keep your neutral spine alignment, spine straight as you, in control, gently tap your knee to the floor. And then come back to standing. As you get better at this exercise, you can pick up the pace and turn it into more of a cardiovascular exercise. Heart rate increasing as you build muscle in the legs, toning the legs, and increasing strength at your center as well. Always be mindful of the breath and use your Pilates breath throughout, in by the nose, out by the mouth to keep you nice and strong. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and I hope they'll help you get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.